Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this Salesforce Agentforce series, today we are going to learn about how we can create Agentforce employee agents in Salesforce. So in the Agentforce default agent video, we have understood the Agentforce default agent is going to be retired soon. So for that, the replacement of the Agentforce default agent, the Salesforce has been provided the Agentforce employee agents. So in previous video, we have understood why we need the Agentforce employee agent, and in the same video, we have understood what is the difference between the Agentforce employee agent and Agentforce default agent. So the video link I will provide in the description box. You can go through it so that you will be more understand why we need to create the Agentforce employee agents and what are the major differences between these Agentforce employee agents and then Agentforce default agent. Now in this video, using this scenario, I will be explain how we can create the Agentforce employee agents from the scratch. For that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And now, before moving ahead, if you want to learn the Salesforce from the scratch, or if you are serious about building your career in the Salesforce, I have created Salesforce admin training course and also Agentforce course. So in this course, you will have lifetime access and the free future updates. After that, you will have the HD video lessons. Then in these courses, you will have the Salesforce admin training course. After that, the Agentforce training course. And also if you want to learn both things, then we also have created a complete training course bundle in which you will have the Salesforce admin training course as well as Agentforce course. So in these courses, everything is explained in simple English with the real-time examples. Now, if you want to know about more about these courses, you can click on this read more button. From there, you will be redirected to the content that I have explained in each course. And if you want to buy this course, you can click on this enroll now button. So the link of the Join Pro I will provide in the description box. You can go through it. From there, you will be navigate on this page. Also, we are going to conduct a live webinar on the Salesforce Agentforce on the 10th of December. In this webinar, we are going to learn about Agentforce plus Slack. In that, we will have the following topics: introduction to the Salesforce Agentforce. Then I will be explain Slack integration overview. Then we will understand how we can connect Slack with the Salesforce org. Then we will have the live demo where I will create a Slack agent, and after that we will deploy that agent on the Slack workspace, and then we will have the question and answer sessions. So to book your seat on this virtual webinar, you need to register now. So the registration link I will provide in the description box. From there, you can register for this Agentforce and Slack webinar. Now coming back to our topic, first we will navigate to the Salesforce org. There I will be explain how we can create the Agentforce employee agents in Salesforce. So now as I click on this Agentforce icon, here you can see in previous video we have seen here we had the drop down option. From here we was able to select the another agent, and that was the Agentforce employee agent. So in this new org, since we haven't created any Agentforce employee agent, for that here we are not getting that option. Now first we will create the order agent. For that, let me navigate to the setup. In the quick find, here I am searching for Agentforce agents. Open this one. Now as I scroll down, here you can see till now we have only enabled the Agentforce default agent, and then we have created and deployed the service agent on the community side. Now to create the Agentforce employee agent, we need to click on this new agent button, click on it, and now from here we need to select the type of agent. For that, as I scroll down, here you can see here we have the Agentforce employee agent. So here we need to select this one and then click on the next button. Now here if you want to add the standard topics which provided by the Salesforce, you can add this one, or if you don't want to select this one, you can simply click on this added button, so it will be get deselect. Now after selection of the topics, you need to click button to proceed. Now here we need to customize our agent. So here in the name, here I am providing order agent. Then in the API name, order underscore agent. Now in the description, let me remove this one. So here I am providing the agent handles all the orders related activities. And after that, in the role, let me remove this one again. So the role define what this agent can do. So here I am providing you are an Agentforce employee agent and your role is only to deal with the orders management for the sales team. So this employee agent role is to deal with the order management for the sales team. Now before proceeding to the next step, let me show you here. As I navigate to the setup, in the quick find, here I am searching for users. And here as I open the users, here you can see, here I have created one user which is Wade John. And also for this user, I have created one profile which is sales profile. Now this Agentforce employee agent that we are creating, this order agent, this agent I will assign to this profile. That means only those user who has assigned this sales profile, those users can only access this order agent. Except the sales profile, no one can access this order agent. So here in the company, here I am providing soft drink company. And after that, if you remember, while creating the service agent, here we need to select the user. But this time, while creating this Agentforce employee agent, here we don't have option to select the user. So why this? Because this Agentforce employee agent runs in the current logged in user context. That means whatever the permissions user has from the profile, object or the permission set, according to that permission, this user can access the information from the Salesforce. So because of that, here we don't have option to select the user. Now after customizing the agent, click on the next button to proceed. And here in the previous module, we have seen the data library. So here, if you want to assign any data library for your agent, you can assign it. But currently here I am creating without data library. So to create the agent, click on this create button. So now the agent has been successfully created. Now very first, as we created this agent for the order management, so here I am creating new topic. Since we haven't selected any standard topics, that's why here we are not able to see any topic. To create the new topic, click on this new topic button. So here I am providing soft drink order management. And then click on next button. Now we need to provide some information over here. So here in the classification description, here I have copied some description. Let me copy this one. Let me paste over here. So this topic is created to handle the order inquiries and action related to ordering soft drinks, including placing new orders, tracking orders by providing soft drink order number. And after that, in this scope, your job is to assist users in showing the order status, place or cancel the soft drink order when they will provide the order number. And also we have provided the scope, do not handle the issues that are not related to the soft drink orders. So here, if any user asks the information or raise the query about the soft drink orders, then only this topic will get executed. If the request is not related to the order, then this topic will not get executed. After that, as we scroll down, here we need to provide the instruction. So here I will provide only one instruction. Let me remove other. Let me copy the instruction. So here I am providing, ask the customer for their preferred soft drink order number. So before this one, let me add, whenever user asks for the order status, then if they haven't provided the order number, then ask them for the preferred soft drink order number. So here we have provided this instruction, and then here we need to provide one example. That means how the user will raise the request. So here I am providing, what is status of my order number XYZ. And after providing these details, click on the next button. Now here we need to select the action. So while creating the service agent, and also we have seen in the separate sessions how we can create the custom actions in the Agentforce. So this time here I will select the created action to know the status of the order. So here in the action, here I am searching order. Here you can see, here we have the order status. Let me select this one and then click on the finish. Now here we have created the soft drink order management topic. As I click on this topic, here you will see the description that we have provided, and then as you click on this topic actions, here we can see the actions that we have added. If you want to add the multiple actions related to the order management, then you can add it. So here after providing these details, now our AI agent is ready to provide the order status whenever any user asks for it. Now you must be wondering, we have created this action using the Apex, then why we don't need to give access of that Apex class to the user? Since this Agentforce employee agent runs as the context of the current logged in user, so for that user, if they have the permission of that Apex class, then this agent can give the response whatever the execution done by the Apex class. Before proceeding, if you like the video and you want to understand the basic concept of the Agentforce and you really want to start journey to the Agentforce, I will provide the link of free Agentforce ebook in the description box. You can go through it. So there you will get basic understanding of the Agentforce, and then if you want to learn more about the Agentforce, you can join our pro training courses. Now let's move ahead. So now let's check whether our AI agent can give the response for the order status or not. For that, let me open the order, the soft drink order object. Let me close this one. And now here you can see, here we have the two orders. For the order number 500100, the status is open. Now again, as I navigate to the Agentforce builder, let me give the prompt. So as I give the prompt, what is status of my soft drink order with order number 500100. As I press the enter key, now here you can see the agent response. Your soft drink order status is displayed below. Let me know if you need anything else. So here the agent has been provided the status of our soft drink order, which is open. Let me show you again. Here you can see for the order number 500100, the status is open. Also let's give the prompt for this order, which is 1020. Here I am providing 1020. As I press the enter key, so here we need to give the detailed prompt. Again here I am providing. So instead of this order number, here I am providing 1020. Now as I press the enter key, here you can see the status is dispatched. So since we haven't given the more instructions, that's why this agent is not able to give this type of prompt response. But in the service agent we have seen, we have given the more prompt, and that's why our AI agent is able to understand what is our intention to ask the request. Now our order agent is working correctly. Now let me navigate back. Now as you scroll down, here you can see the order agent has been successfully created. Now let me again open this order agent. And now here you can see, here we have the agent access. As you click on it, here we have two options: permission sets with the agent access and then profile with agent access. So as per our scenario, we are going to assign this order agent to our sales profile. For that, here I have selected this one, and then in this search, here I am searching sales profile. As I click on this add button, here you can see, as I scroll down, here we have the sales profile that we have created. Let me select this one. And also, if you want to assign this agent to the multiple profiles, you can select those profiles and then click on the add button. Now we have assigned this order agent to our sales profile. Since we are running as a system administrator, now after assigning this agent to the profile, we need to activate this agent for the use. For that, again here I am clicking on this open in builder and then click on this activate button. After that, here we need to click on this ignore and activate. Now since we have logged in as a system administrator, now let's check whether for us this agent has been get assigned or not. For that, let me navigate to the sales application. Now first we need to refresh the page. And then as I click on this Agentforce icon, here you can see we are not able to see the order agent because we have only granted access for the order agent to the sales profile. So let's navigate to the sales profile user. Here you can see the sales profile. Now as I log in with this sales profile user, let me log in with the incognito window. So let me close this one. And now here you can see we have logged in as John Wade. Now as I click on this Agentforce icon, this time here you can see with the Agentforce default agent, this agent can also access the order agent. Now as I click on this order agent and then as I click on the select button, so now we can use this order agent. To give the prompt, here I am providing what is status of my soft drink order with order number again 500 again 500100. As I press the enter key, here you can see your soft drink order status is displayed below. Let me know if you need further assistance, and the status is open. So in this way, we can create the Agentforce employee agent and assign to particular profile or the permission sets in Salesforce. Now again, let me navigate to the administrator profile. Now let's create the Agentforce employee agent for the library. For that, again in the quick find, here I am searching for Agentforce agents. Click on new agent. Select the Agentforce employee agent, click on next. So here, let me remove this one, click on next, provide the name. So here I am providing library agent. Let me change the API name again, library underscore agent. So here in the description, here I am providing the job of this agent is to work with book management, recommending books and creating books records in system. So here you can see the description. The job of this agent is to work with book management, recommending books. After that, in the role, here I am providing you are an Agentforce employee agent and your job is only to handle books in this org. After that, in the company, here I am providing book management, and here also, since this is Agentforce Employee Agent, here we don't need to select the user. Again, click on the next button. And here you can see for this agent, I will be explain how we can use the data library. So here I have already created the data library. Here you can see the library name, which is library data. And then as I scroll down, here you can see I have added one PDF, which is book recommendations. Now let's add this library data, which is the Agentforce data library for our AI agent. For that, as I click on this data library, here you can see we have created two data libraries. So here I am selecting this library data and then click on the create button. So now our agent has been successfully created. Since we are retrieving the data from the PDF, so let me show you the PDF first. Here you can see the PDF, which is book recommendations. In that we have the fiction books, then the self-improvement, after that the business and the leadership, then technology and innovations. So this type of genre books we have in this PDF. Now, since our AI agent is retrieving the data from the PDF which we have uploaded to the data library, for that which topic we need to add over here? So here we need to add the standard topic, which is general FAQs. So let me select this topic and then click on the finish button. So here we have added the topic. Let me select this one. And then as I click on this topic actions, here you can see the answer questions with knowledge, this prompt template action provided by the Salesforce. Using this action, this AI agent can retrieve the data from the data library or the data cloud. Now before giving the prompt to this our AI agent, first we need to check whether this user have the data cloud user permission or not. For that let me navigate to this user. So here I am clicking on view profile, then click on the settings. As I click on this advanced user details, click on this permission set assignments, and then as I expand this list, so for this user we haven't assigned the data cloud user permission set. For that, here you can see here we have the edit assignments button, click on it, and from here we need to search the data cloud user. So here you can see here we have the data cloud, select this one and then click on the add button. So from the available permission set, we have added the data cloud user to this user and then click on the save button. After that, refresh the page and again navigate to the Agentforce builder. Now we have assigned the permission set of the data cloud user to this user. So now let's refresh the page. Click on reload. Let's give the prompt to this agent. Recommend me a good fiction book with the strong moral. As I press the enter key, so here you can see the agent respond, a great fiction book with the strong moral lesson is To Kill a Mockingbird by the Hyper Lee. Now as we navigate to the PDF, we can see in the fiction genre, here we have the book which is To Kill a Mockingbird by the Hyper Lee. Also as I search for the self-improvement, again let me copy this prompt. And here I am providing self-improvement. Again, as I press the enter key, here you can see a fantastic self-improvement book with the strong moral lesson is The 7 Habits of the Highly Effective People by the Stephen R. Conway. Again, as we navigate to the PDF, in the self-improvement, here you can see The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, which is Stephen R. Covey. So this agent also can retrieve the information from the PDF that we have uploaded to the data library. Now let's navigate back. And now what we need to do, again as you scroll down, here you can see the library agent has been successfully created. And now as you open this library agent, Again, you need to navigate to this agent access, and from here either you can select the permission sets or the profiles. So let me tell you when we need to use these permission sets. So for example, you have the different profiles such as sales profile, HR profile, service profile, and then some of them profile you need to give access of this agent to particular users. Then what you can do, you can create the permission set and assign that permission set to those users. After assigning the permission set to those users, what you can do, you can search that permission set over here, and from here you can give the access to group of users. So again, for this time, here I am selecting the system administrator. As I click on the add button, so here you can see here we have the system administrator, and then click on the add. So here we have given the access of this library agent to our system administrator. And now as I navigate to the sales application again, let me close this one. Again, here you can see as I refresh the page, now here you will get the option to select the agent. So still we are not getting that option. Okay, so we haven't activated that agent. For that, again as we navigate to that agent, let me open in builder. And now we need to activate this agent. Click on this ignore and activate. Now our agent has been successfully activated. Again as we navigate to the application, and then as I refresh the page now, this time here you can see we have the drop down option. As I click on this drop down, here we can see the library agent. And now as I select this library agent and then click on select button, so now we can give the prompt to the books related. So here I am giving the prompt. What are some good books about the artificial intelligence? As I press the enter key, now here you can see the agent has been replied with some popular and highly recommended books about the artificial intelligence. So in this way we can create multiple Agentforce employee agent, and then we can assign them to the profiles and also to permission sets to give the access to group of users. So I hope you have understood whatever I have explained. Also, do register for the Agentforce plus Slack live webinar, which we are going to conduct on 10th of December. The link I have provided in the description box. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.